Hello, welcome to the Craig Caddell Show. I am Craig Caddell. Today's topic is a recipe for Italian sausage lasagna. First, we'll need 1 pound of bulk Italian sausage, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 14.5 ounce can of tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 cans of tomato paste, 6 ounces, 10 ounces of lasagna noodles, 10 to 12 lasagna noodles, 3 cups of ricotta cheese, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley flakes, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese, shredded or thinly sliced. And to prepare it, brown the sausage slowly, drain off excess fat, then add garlic, tomatoes, basil, and oregano. Simmer. 1.5 teaspoons of salt and tomato paste. Simmer uncovered for 30 minutes. And cook lasagna noodles in boiling water. In a bowl, combine ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, parsley, eggs, and 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Place a layer of noodles in bottom of a 13 by 9 by 2 inch baking dish or lasagna pan. Cover with a layer of mozzarella cheese. Then spoon 1/2 of ricotta mixture over mozzarella. Spoon then spoon 1/2 of ricotta mixture over mozzarella. Spoon 1/2 of meat sauce over the cheese. Repeat layers. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes in a 375 oven. Allow lasagna to cook for 40 minutes. For 30 to 40 minutes in a 375 minute oven. And there you have it, the lasagna.